today we're going to tackle another common fault on the Focus, which is the bottom engine mount. Now this mounts here to the bottom of the gearbox. Some people call it a dog leg mount, but basically all it is a big lump of rubber. Over time this rubber will degrade and it means your engine can start tipping backwards and forwards. Now it's a really easy job to do. It's basically two captive bolts. So you've got one that goes through here, one underneath that holds it in. But the first job you've got to do, obviously, is support the engine. Right, so we've now got the engine mount undone, but the only problem is obviously getting it out. So the way to do this is taking off these three bolts here, 13mm, and that will take this whole assembly off, and then we can slide this out and put in a new one. Now we've got our lower torque mount installed, all that's needed is to tighten everything up to the specified torque using our torque wrench. Now, the gearbox mounts, the three little bolts, they're 46 Newton meters. The big one to the subframe is 30 Newton meters and then an extra 270 degrees, which is basically 3/4 of a circle. So we do that, let the engine off the support, and then it's job done.